In today's video, I will show you exactly how I would invest $100 into crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free crypto on every single purchase. And now let's jump straight into the video. So a lot of brand new people are jumping into crypto, but they do not have a lot of money to invest. In this video, I will show you exactly what I would do if I only had $100 to invest in crypto. I will break this video down into two categories. The first one is if I had $100 as a one-time investment, that was all the money I had, what would I do in the crypto space? The second category is if I had $100 every single week. This is more of a safer play, so I'll break down both in this video. Also guys, none of this is financial advice, so make sure to do your own research and most importantly, do what is right for your portfolio. So what would I do with $100? Being completely honest, $100 is definitely not a lot of money to invest. So personally, this is exactly what I would do. I will look for very low market cap gems under 10 million. Also, I will look into meme coins and brand new projects that are coming out. Those are the three things that I would do personally. All of them are very, very high risk. And in my opinion, this is pretty much gambling. It is like 90% luck and the other 10% is research. So this is definitely the most high risk strategy out there. But high risk, high reward is definitely where I will put my money into. I will look for meme coins that have a ton of potential, low cap gems, metaverse projects, crypto gaming, literally everything in these categories. Simply because these high risk projects can turn your $100 into $1,000 or possibly even $10,000. Don't get me wrong, a lot of these meme coins, metaverse projects, NFTs are total scams. So you will definitely have to do a lot of research in order to find the right one, in order to find the one that is not going to rug pull and take your money. So the first thing that you have to do is download these two apps. First off, Trust Wallet. In my opinion, that is one of the best places to find brand new projects. Obviously, a bunch of them are going to be scams, so you have to do your research. The other one is KuCoin. That is, in my opinion, one of the best exchanges out there. Make sure you use that link in the description box below. But that is where you can find low cap gems, and that is where you can put your crypto to work to earn even more crypto. In my opinion, those two apps are definitely a must-have. So with only $100 to invest, I will literally gamble that money. I will take that $100 and pretty much go all in on a meme coin, on a metaverse project, or some type of NFT collection. In my opinion, that is definitely the most risk, but it can definitely pay off big time. I know a lot of YouTubers made similar videos like this one, and a lot of them suggest taking that $100, breaking it up into three, putting $50 into Bitcoin, $20 into Ethereum, and then $30 into some other coin. In my opinion, that strategy only works if you have a boatload of money and you can put thousands in Ethereum, thousands into Chainlink, thousands into Polkadot, and then diversify that way. But with $100, if you split that up, it will take you years and years and years to simply double your money. And in my opinion, that is definitely not worth the wait. So, and now let's talk about category number two. And that is if I had $100 to invest in crypto every single week. The first thing that I would do is go over to CoinMarketCap and find three projects that I absolutely love. Projects that have a ton of potential and that have decent sized market caps. In my opinion, this is way safer than category number one. But the way I would do it is obviously pick three projects. For this example, we're going to use Ethereum, Chainlink, and Polkadot. So every single week, I will take $100 and then invest it in one of these projects. So week one, $100, we're going to Ethereum. Week number two, 100 into Polkadot. Week number three, 100 into Chainlink. And I will literally try to automate this as much as possible. Also, when I am picking my three projects to invest in, I will look for ones that I can stake, lend and earn interest on. In my opinion, that will speed up the entire process. Just imagine buying $100 every single day worth of Chainlink, putting it on BlockFi, and then earning even more Chainlink every single day. In my opinion, it is a win-win situation. Best of all, on BlockFi, you can set up recurring buys. So you can pretty much program everything. That way, every single week, that $100 gets withdrawn from your bank account, gets deposited onto BlockFi, and then it is automatically used to purchase some Chainlink, some Ethereum, some Bitcoin, Uniswap, whatever 3 coins that you pick. I'll pretty much set it and forget it. Also, the 3 coins that you pick, if they are stakeable, stake them. If you can lend them to earn more, lend them. If you can earn interest on them, definitely earn interest on them. This will all help you in the long term. After doing this for a couple months or a year, you are going to have decent sized positions in 3 of your favorite coins. In my opinion, that will be a great feeling. Now you have a safety net to fall back on. And now you can be way more strategic on which projects you're going to invest in. And you're going to have a lot more capital to work with. In the beginning, it is definitely going to be slow, and it's definitely going to take some time to build up your positions. But once you do, you're going to have a lot of weight lifted off your shoulders. You're going to be able to think clearly. You're going to be more relaxed. You'll be able to make better financial decisions and hopefully make more money in the process. Just having that safety net is one hell of a feeling. So that is what I would do if I could invest $100 every single week. As you can see, both categories are very extreme. Category number 1 is definitely high risk, high reward, just gambling your $100. Category number 2 is definitely a little bit less growth, but a lot more safety. So it all depends what you want to do personally. It all depends on how much money you invest and what you feel comfortable with. And now let me know in the comment section below, how would you personally invest $100 into crypto? What projects would you buy? Would you go the extreme risk route? Would you play it safe? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, guys, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section. And as always, do your own research, and see you in the next video. Peace out.